everyone, good morning. It's around 2 a.m., 2:30 a.m. right now. And I'm here to support my sister kasi tatakbo siya sa Milo Marathon. And mamaya pa siyang 10K, so 21K pa lang itong tatakbo ngayon. Pero, saka natin dito, para tayong camping dito. Super happy to support my sister. Kasama natin yung mga doggos. And yun lang, antayin lang natin na start siya. Pero kukuha na ako ng ilang clips ngayon para later on, pag siya itatakbo, focus na lang sa
Yo, you see it on our screen.
It's 4:40 a.m. at the moment, and kakatakbo ng kapatid ko. She's doing 10 kilometers sa Milo Marathon 2024. Actually, hindi na bago yung kapatid ko sa pagtakbo. I remember we went to Malaysia kasi sumali siya ng parang Penang Marathon, which is 42K. At this time around, 10K lang yung kanyang kinuha kasi hindi siya ganun ka ensayado. So, this is just her comeback no, sa pag-run. So, dito ko ngayon ng mga dogs niya. Wait, pakita ko sila sa inyo. We're waiting here, Pidgey! And then, Maddie! Siguro an hour and a half, matatapos naman na. May 1, Labor Day. Walang pasok si ate kaya nagkayayaan and pumunta kami sa Mitsukoshi BGC. Matagal na rin mula nung last kami pumunta dito and it's so nice to be back in this mall. Mitsukoshi is actually known as a Japanese mall. Most of the stalls are Japanese brands. First time namin to visit this Kaisendon and they sell sashimi and sushi. We actually got soba noodles, tapos itong prawn bowl and salmon roll na sobrang sarap. Diba 700 na?
Kasi 200 na.
Katipid na to.
Lumalapas tayo ako dito.
Ha?
Hindi naman ako kuripot, pero hindi ko alam ba't lumalabas ang pagkakuripot ko dito. Kasi lahat nga kita ang pagkain for 100. Tapos yung 650, 180.
And the damage has been done. May mga napamili tayo sa Nitori, Japan. It's, again, a must visit. I highly recommend it. After that, pumunta kami ng Quantum to do some arcade games. Hilig to ng kapatid ko. And for energy, syempre, kape tayo. Ito daw yung bestseller niya. Ooh! So we're done. It's Mitsukoshi and I'm just waiting for my sister kasi babayad siya ng parking ticket. Almost 5 hours din kami and we went to a lot of shopping stores here. Medyo may manapamili tayo so I'll try to do a haul mamaya pagka-uwi. I still have work dahil naka-US holiday based kami. But that's it for my day-to-day. I'm now going to be doing my Mitsukoshi haul. Una ay bumili ako ng pillows. So dalawa siya. I also bought some pillowcase. I got some house slippers. Don't miss out on the house slippers sa Nitori, Japan. Sobrang ganda nila. And then, malambot, cushion. I also got this set of metal straws. Tapos may kasama na siyang pang-mix. And then, I also went to Mitsukoshi Beauty. So, I got this naturally na parang toner. You can use it for the face. You can also use it for the body. It says it brightens skin. And then meron siyang non-sticky formula. And namurahan siya sa kanya. For 500 ml, it's 379 pesos only. Kaya, pinili ko. Daiso, I bought some jewelry organizer. I also got this. Lagayan siya ng headset. Pero I'm gonna use this as a case for my nipple tapes. Looks like this inside. Sakong-sakto lang to. Doon sa size ng nipple tape na ginagamit. I also got this one. Para siyang coin purse. Actually, I bought this for the coin purse, but I didn't know. Meron siyang laman na parang shopping bag inside. So, I'm always in the lookout for some shopping bag kasi anytime, diba, pagkaalis ka, at least very convenient to have one. Now, at least I have a coin purse. It says at all times. Super cute. Tapos, last na pinunta naman is the Loop. I also got an SD card reader, pero nakakonect siya sa phone. Looks like this one. So, you have it on your phone. And then, this is 2,490, pero nakasale siya. So, I only got it for 500 pesos. That's it for the Mitsukoshi haul.
Good morning, everyone. It's me, Iza, and we're here at Pansol, Laguna, and I'm with my sister, aso niya, and another sister of mine, mama ni baby AJ, which you've seen already on my previous video. So this is the morning after. I wasn't able to vlog last night. The reason for that is late check-in na kami. So we arrived at around 10 p.m. and all we had to do was eat. And naligo na rin kami. Camp Wiggles is one of the few resort wherein they offer a mini pool na pwede rin yung mga aso ninyo. So if you're a fur parent and you're looking for a pool wherein your fur babies can actually also enjoy, then this is Camp Wiggles. That's the main gate. And then parking, you have 3 casitas. 1, 2, and then 3. Dito kami nakastay ngayon sa 3rd casita. Aside from the casita, everyone has this lounge area. Very spacious na rin for your dogs to roam around, which is nice. So, puntan natin yung casita. That's Maddie, my sister, at si Fiji. Bumabawi pa ng tulog. Anyways, this is the casita. And dito muna tayo sa may gate dito. So, there's an entrance. Ito yung kanilang pool area. So, maliit lang talaga siya. Madumi na rin kasi nga naligo na kami. But, medyo magulo na yung place, Pero, they also offer parang kitchen. Paggabi, dito kami kumain. We just ordered some andoks. And, ito, papunta pa to Pero, yan, medyo magulo pa. You also have here the restroom. And, may shower na rin siya. And then after the restroom is another doorway to the casita. You have spot for your dog here. Tapos double deck siya. Aircon. You have a mirror and a working refrigerator. Sobrang init. So, dito muna kami sa chair. Kasama ko si Maggie. And then, yung kapatid ko, tsaka si PGI, tumatakbo. I don't know if you can see them. Pero, basta, somewhere there. Diyan sila. Seen UPLB for the first time and I do really like it. May resemblance in UP Diliman. We also passed by yung kanilang oblation. Already 1,818 steps. Ang goal natin ay 5,000. So, later on, lakad-lakad din tayo.
For Chiching moving forward is to expand and is to equip as many children as we can with the knowledge and skills in developing financially sound habits.
Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kagabi. Sabi ko, babawi na lang ako today. Just sharing to you the story of what happened as I had a really long day. So yesterday, May 29, I was invited to attend the Chaching 1 million milestone event. It was in the coordination with Prudence Foundation and also JA Philippines. I actually published the press release about the event. I will link down below on my blog, Savings United page, so you can read it. The Cha-Ching program teaches financial stewardship to students at a young age, 7 to 12 years old. Ang maganda, yung program nila, it has earn, save, spend, and donate. So, yung 4 core ng financial stewardship, tinuturo nila habang bata pa. For someone who doesn't come from money, yung knowledge of financial stewardship at yung value ng financial stewardship, it is such a blessing to know about it at a young age. So, itong mga estudyante na to, this 1 million students, now na nalagay na yung seed sa kanila, I do believe it's going to grow and hopefully hindi sila mag-depart sa knowledge. Who knows the future that these kids will have. And then right after pumunta ako ng Robinsons Galleria, if you watch my May reset video, part of my to-do list for May is to work on my government mandatory payments and update them. My agenda was to actually update my SSS records kasi iba yung number ko na nasa record on file with my new number. Tapos, everything else pala, magagawa mo na siya online if I want to pay voluntarily. Hopefully, magamit natin yung benefits, lalo na yung maternity. Soon, no? God willing, biyayaan tayo ng boyfriend muna, asawa, at anak. Then, sana magamit natin yung maternity benefit niya. Pumunta din ako ng Pag-ibig, just really asking out, how can I pay voluntarily? Yung PhilHealth hindi ko nagawa kasi sarado sila. I think they're open every Tuesday lang. I also want to quickly share to you the hidden gem I got from Galleria. And I saw this Bible. I got it. There are 2 types of this Bible. Merong life recovery, merong life application na kulay brown. Mas gusto ko yung kulay brown na life application, but wala siya, sadly. Kaya ito na lang yung pinili ko. Definitely, if I'm gonna visit other book sales and I found that life application, baka bilhin ko siya. Mahal kasi siya when you go to online. It's around 2,000 to 3,000 minsan yung presyo nila. Pero this one, I got it for 365 pesos lang. Kaya nakakatuwa. This Life Recovery Bible, it's already a Bible and it has a section for commentary. There are reflections for each book. Meron siyang introductory profile nung bida dun sa book na yon, kagaya nito. And hopefully this Bible will be able to guide me as I read through and study the Old Testament.